back to Shelly's Baked Cakes. Make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys, so you don't miss out on all the fun. Today we are making the cutest Spider-Man cupcakes. To start out, I just dyed the batter blue and red, and we are just going to alternate putting blue and red into these cupcake liners until we have some seriously fun, colorful Spider-Man cupcakes ready to be baked. You can't have Spider-Man cupcakes without spider webs, and my cute little son was quick to tell me that spider webs are white, Mom. I was gonna make him a different color, and he was quick to say spider webs are white. So white spider webs we are going to make to achieve these fun spider webs. All I did is printed out the spider web template from the internet, and I just placed parchment paper right over the top. I melted some candy melts, and now we're just gonna trace it, guys. Just trace nice and slow. I just cut a tiny little hole in my piping bag, and if you don't have a piping bag, just grab a Ziploc bag. Also, they dry really quick, so when you're done tracing them, just set them aside and they'll be dry super quick. For these Spider-Man cupcakes, we need some sprinkles. So we're just gonna dump in a mix of all sorts of colors here. We're gonna do yellow and red and blue, and just kind of dump a whole bunch of different sprinkles because they're Spider-Man cupcakes, guys. We want it to be fun. Here's the cupcakes baked up nice and red and blue. So fun. Here's our spider webs that they've dried, and now we're just gonna take them right off the parchment paper. This should just lift right off. We are going to get our blue buttercream, and we're just gonna pipe some fun swirls on top of this Spider-Man cupcake. You can see all I do is just start pressing those sprinkles into the side of that buttercream. The buttercream needs to be wet so that they will stick. Make sure there's a bowl underneath so you don't make a sprinkle disaster and mess all over your kitchen. Then after we have the sprinkles on the sides, we're going to stick our cute little spider web. And there you have it, guys. The cutest Spider-Man cupcakes that are perfect for any birthday party. Thanks so much for watching here at Shelly's Baked Cakes. Make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys, and have an awesome day.